In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose which mic to use on the Jane app. Getting the right microphone selected makes a big difference in clarity, volume, and overall call quality. Whether you're using a built-in laptop mic, a USB microphone, or a headset, I'll walk you through picking the correct device, testing it, and saving your settings so you sound your best. Start by opening the Jane app. If you're using an external or Bluetooth microphone, connect it to your computer or mobile device first, then launch the app. That way, Jane can detect it right away. If you see a prompt asking for microphone permission, choose Allow. If you accidentally denied it before, you can update mic permissions in your device or browser settings, and then return to the app. Once you're in, head over to Audio Settings. You'll usually find this under a gear icon, Settings, Preferences, or a profile menu. Look for a section labeled Audio or Microphone. The exact wording can vary a bit by platform, but the option will be clearly tied to input devices. Now choose your microphone. You'll see a drop-down list of available inputs. Typical names include built-in microphone, USB or the brand of your mic, and headset options. Pick the device you actually want to speak into. If you're on a headset that has both speakers and a mic, select the listing that specifically mentions microphone or headset, not just the speakers. If you see multiple similar names, choose the one with the most specific label or the one tied to the port you used. If your mic doesn't appear, reseat the cable, make sure it's powered on, and confirm your computer recognizes it before returning to Jane. Next, test your mic. Speak at a normal conversational volume and watch the input meter if available. Aim for consistent movement in the green and occasional yellow, and avoid red peaks that indicate clipping. If your voice looks too quiet, increase the input level using the slider in Jane or your system's sound settings. If it's too loud or distorted, lower the gain or move slightly farther from the mic. Minimize background noise by closing noisy apps and choosing a quieter space. If the meter doesn't move at all, double check that you selected the correct input and that no other app has exclusive control of the microphone. When everything sounds good, save your settings, click Save or Apply, or confirm the selected device if the app auto-saves. Before you wrap up, quickly reopen the audio settings to make sure your chosen mic is still selected. You're all set. You can revisit these settings anytime if you